them around, and we all just like going with our own paces, which is dope, I guess.
What's the nicest thing Ricky has ever said, done for you, where in that moment you realize, no man, this guy's a brother. I know he's done a lot, but like
Let me
that
tell
one,
you, Ricky
the one
is
moment.
like, Ricky's such a hectic guy. Let me tell you guys, Ricky's hectic. It's like he goes extreme both sides. Like if he's gonna go and do a bad thing, he's gonna go do the worst thing, you know. But if he's gonna do a good thing, he's gonna go and do, you know, the best thing you could ever do. Like, I don't know if you guys seen a video of Ricky giving away his Gucci's at a petrol station.
I got 2 pairs of Gucci's from Ricky.
That's who he is, right? But like when he goes this direction, and that means he doesn't have that filter like us. He's just
extreme.
So Ricky heard about me having beef with this other rapper, right?
Yeah.
And this guy was tweeting shit about me.
Yeah.
And then Ricky beats him at a listening session. And he's like, yo, man, why are you talking shit about Cass? Before that guy responded, Ricky, I said, wow!
Are you serious, dog?
I'm telling you. And when you heard the story? So I'm not talking shit. So when I heard the story, I was like, fuck.
This guy's down for me,
I
dog.
can't even slap niggas for myself. I can't even slap niggas for my goddamn self.
But at least you did it because of the $1 million bag. So
I couldn't do it because of and I guess and that could have been the reason. I remember him saying something like that. It's like, I know that you can go and do this thing, but I can.
Yeah.
You know, and he slapped this guy and the story never came out. It just stayed between us. You know, I searched on Twitter. No one knows about this shit. And that's one of the dope things Ricky ever done for me, man. He's a fucking dope guy.
Yeah, man. Crazy. Shout out to Molis, dog. And then
Ricky Molis is too much.
I remember when you dropped Mama Made It, right?
Yeah.
You shot the video back in your mom's house.
I think there's like one more shot.
Yeah, your mom's house.
crib.